Hello children, welcome to Science. Today we are going to learn lesson 2 Water. What is water? Water is a substance. No living organism on earth can survive without this. Yes children, from the morning till going to bed we need water. Fertility of a land is determined by the availability of the water. Availability of water. Children, we know that 71% of our earth is covered with water. The combined mass of water found on, above and below the surface of earth is called hydrosphere. Nearly 75% of our earth is covered by water. Of the total water present, 97.4% is in oceans and seas. Seawater contains various salts and cannot be used for daily purpose. Only the rest 2.6% is fresh water. The major portion of the fresh water on the earth is in the form of ice caps and glaciers. Let us study the availability of water briefly. 97.6% salt water, that is the sea and ocean water. In fresh water, 0.8% groundwater, 0.1% is surface water, that is water present on the surface of the earth. How much of water do we need? The United Nations recommends a minimum of 50 liters of water per person per day for washing, drinking, cooking, and maintaining proper hygiene. It is almost equal to 2.5 buckets of water. Sources of water. Rainwater. It is the purest form of water as it is formed by evaporation from water bodies and condensation process. While falling on the earth, it dissolves some gases and particles present in the air. Rain pattern in India. Most parts of our country receive rains between the months of June and October. But in Tamil Nadu, we get majority of rains in the month of October and November. Next, surface water. The major part of it is in the form of oceans and seas. This water contains lot of salts dissolved in it, making it taste salty. Children, we know the sea water, that is salt water, is not fit to drink, but we can use it. How? Yes, we can drink sea water by removing its salt by using a technology called desalination. Desalination is a costly process. We have a desalination plant in Chennai serving part of a requirement of clean water. Children, in our school we have RO system, no, reverse osmosis. That is very good example for a desalination method. The minor part of surface water is in the form of rivers and lakes. Water in the rivers mainly comes from the rain and the melting of snow from the mountains, while lakes are depressions on the land holding fresh water. Lake water and pond water are being a breeding place for mosquitoes since they are stagnant. Next, underground water. Rainwater penetrates through the soil and gets collected over the rocky bed to form a reservoir. This reservoir is called the aquifer. The upper layer of the aquifer is called the water table. The water table in an area which may either be deep or shallow. Heavy rain or snow may cause the water table to rise, while uncontrolled pumping of water will make it fall. In some places, groundwater might get contaminated due to dumping of waste from factories. This practice has to be banned. Nowadays, we also contaminate the land. Every day we use plastic things and polythene bags. We use and throw it simply. that will contaminate the land, and also it prohibits the water to go inside the water table. Forms of water. The water present on the surface of the earth is containing many minerals and salts, but the purest form of water contains only hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Water can exist in all three physical states. In 0 degree Celsius or below 0 degree Celsius, water is in the form of solid. In normal room temperature, water is in liquid state. Water goes to gaseous form when it is heated. Children, you can see only heating and cooling can change the state of a matter. Water constantly changes states by means of this process, evaporation. Water from liquid bodies changes into vapor state and escape into atmosphere due to the heat of sun. Condensation. Condensation is the change of state of water from vapor state to liquid state. Children, here evaporation is heating process and condensation is cooling process. In evaporation, water get heat energy. That is, water is heated. When water get heat energy, the force of attraction between the atoms and molecules will be weakened. Due to the weak of force of attraction, the molecules are separated and they change their state, that is from liquid to gas. The water vapor in the atmosphere moves upward along with warm air. As the warm air cools down, it loses its capacity to hold water vapor, and the excess water vapor changes into tiny droplets that form the clouds in the sky. Precipitation. Once the water droplets form large clouds, they fall under the influence of gravity in the form of drizzle, rain, and snow. This process is called precipitation. All the above process of evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and transpiration keeps the water on the earth's surface in constant movement in a cyclic fashion. This is called the water cycle or hydrological cycle. The whole sequence of steps repeats again and again, ensuring availability of water on earth and regulating the weather pattern. Factors of depletion of fresh water: poor rain, population increase, industrialization, drilling deep bore wells too much, contaminating the water bodies, salt water seeps into the water table due to overuse of groundwater, deforestation results in decrease of rainfall, and fewer trees in the catchment area causes flood. Global warming results in change in the weather pattern and decrease in rainfall. All these factors have resulted in water scarcity. Children, in this lesson we learned availability of water, sources of water. There are three main sources: rainwater, surface water, and underground water. Forms of water and hydrological cycle and water depletion. Thank you.